Okay, we're into the grouting phase now. Our selection was Kerapoxy Easy Design. The Kerapoxy is a two-part mix. You can see there's the paste, and in here we've got the actual catalyst, so the hardener. Okay, so we're ready to mix. Now you can see it's all nicely blended. We're ready to apply. For the epoxy, we use an epoxy squeegee. These are just a bit more firmer than the average squeegee, bit more force behind it. We can put two hands onto it and really push it into the grout joints. After we've got it in, you would never do this with cement-based grout, but with epoxy grout, we always spray water onto the surface of the tile. We've got our 2 buckets of water, our initial clean and our final clean. So very important to use a nice firm sponge and use it very lightly. We want to just be able to take it across lightly without digging the grout out of the joint. After the application's taken place and we've got the tiles nice and clean, and remembering we always use 2 buckets of water, initial clean and final clean, there's usually a resin or an epoxy film left on the surface of the tile. Okay, so we're back the next day and we do have a little bit of residue left on the surface of the tiles that we do want to clean. So we would use our Ultra Care Kerapoxy cleaner. We spray it on. So we use the white scouring pad, literally just no weight again, just on the tile surface itself. We shouldn't have to do anything on the grout joint at all. We're literally just concentrating on the tile surface itself. So we get it nice and clean. And then we go back to our initial that we talked about. We have 2 buckets of water, an initial clean, and then a final clean. So again, it doesn't matter because the grout's nice and hard now, so it doesn't matter the angle that we're doing. So like we did with the grouting, we just want to do small areas and just wipe off any of the residue of the Kerapoxy cleaner. As you can see, I've done the final clean. I've got to let it dry off, of course, but really happy with the way it's come up. I think you're going to be happy with the final performance of your epoxy grout.